Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You may know things are looking a little differently. There is a reason. My friend Midge over here is one of the characters from a game I'm currently playing called 3 out of 10. If you haven't watched it, I recommend you do. It's a combination between a game and a cartoon sitcom. Pretty interesting, kind of funny. I am enjoying it. So I wanted to do a makeup look based on Midge. As you can tell, Midge is beautiful. And she's predominantly orange and green. So I went with this green shirt, and I hope you like my curl formers. She's got some kind of crazy curly hair, so I will as well. And this is not a sponsorship, but I'll be using this eyeshadow. You may be familiar with it, maybe not. I got it on Amazon with a coupon code, and I love saving money, and I haven't used it yet, so I'd like to. And I'm not going to go into a whole review of it because that's not why we're here, but this is the page that I'm going to use. We're going to go with this green because it is the most similar. Maybe a dash of this one. And for our orange, we're actually going to go for this orange. Now, it's got a little thing on it. Let's peel that back. This orange. So, light's a little weird. I'm not sure why. I look very red on cameras. Always. Something with my skins. So that's something that we're just going to deal with. Alright. And the type of person who does eyes first because of, fallout. And I am in no way a guru or a professional or even remotely good at makeup, nor do I have expensive fancy products. I am cheap and amateur, and I just enjoy it. So let's get into it. Ta-da! Got the curls. I got the face. I do like this eye. What do you think? Me and Midge, we're ready to go. I'll see you in the next video. If you like this video, make sure to smash that like button, hit the subscribe down below, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video.